Having fun.
Dali lagi ka. Yoli ko.
Hello, what's up you guys? It's Chell here again, and for today's vlog, we are heading to South Korea.
Hello.
And I'm gonna be going with my bae and Delane. So we're gonna see you guys in the airport. Okay guys, so it's lunchtime, 1 in the afternoon, and we just got off from immigration sitch because we are in a tipid manner. Nagbaon kami ng aming food na niluto namin for breakfast. We have tocino, chorizo, and hotdog. Kasi ang super mahal ng food dito sa airport. We saw one ramen, it costs around 700 pesos. And it's so mahal. I just bought one coffee here in Coffee Bean. Let's eat. So I'm gonna share with you the steps on how we entered the airport and passed the immigration. We arrived 4 hours early from our flight. First step is to check if your check-in time is already open. Check-in counter is already open. So once it's open, you need to check in first before paying for the travel tax, or you can also pay the travel tax ahead while booking your airline. And after that, once you pay the travel tax, you can go back to the check-in counter if you have check-in luggages, and then they will give you the boarding pass. So once you get the boarding pass, you will have to pass through the immigration. But before that, you need to fill up that e-travel QR code, which is also provided in the immigration area. And when we got to the immigration area, there were not much people that time, around 12 noon. So it's really better if you go early para wala masyadong tao. When we presented everything to the immigration officer, we actually printed our itinerary, our COE, our bank certificate, KLOOK tickets, booking confirmations in hotels, but wala silang ni isang hiningi doon. We just presented our passport, our boarding pass, and our visa.
We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 20 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. An hour time difference between Cebu and Incheon, Incheon being 1 hour ahead. The ground temperature is 10 degrees Celsius.
Okay, we have just landed in Incheon International Airport. It's so cold. Wow, very strong. And we're now gonna head to our first hotel for the night near Incheon. Let's go. Okay guys, we are buying a SIM card here in Nice to See You convenience store. Okay, so we bought this one SIM for 34,900 won. We are now here at the bus stop where our hotel bus, our hotel shuttle will be picking us up. The bus driver from this certain bus right here, he actually helped us call our hotel because the SIM that we bought did not work, unfortunately. So yes, we are waiting here and it's super cold. It's 10 degrees and it's already 11 p.m. in Korea. So I hope we're gonna be able to reach the hotel soon. But I think it's just around 8 to 10 minutes away from the airport. How is the coldness, guys?
It's cold, but we like it.
How about you, mister?
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
I just enjoy every moment.
Okay, sige, go. Ah, we're in the hotel. Uy, dako lagi din. Amazing. Yay, we're here. Safe and sound. So we are now finally here in Incheon. We are staying here in Incheon for the night because we don't want to get stressed in looking for the subway stations where we're gonna go to Seoul. So we're gonna be stressed tomorrow morning. We're gonna be resting here in Hotel Zumes. It's located in Incheon International Airport. They also offer free shuttle service. That's why we chose this hotel. And actually, they said that the room is good for two, but I can see they have two big twin beds. It is super early in the morning. It's around 5:55 in the morning and we are heading out. We're gonna check out in the hotel because we're gonna go to Myeongdong in a while. Today's fit because it's super cold outside and we are now going to Seoul. So we have checked out here in Hotel Zumes. We have self-checked out because walang tao yung reception nila. Oh no, and it's super cold outside. Like super. Our first convenience store purchase. Spicy onigiri for me in this super cold morning. Street of Unsayable Lane and we are gonna be taking the train going to Myeongdong. Let's go. Struggle is real with my friends. Unfortunately, I got lost, but I found this too. Again.
Hello. Say hello to the flag.
Thank you for helping us. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Have a good day, sir. So we've been looking for the hotel for like a couple of minutes, maybe around 10 minutes already. It's actually located here in a small alley. Here. It's There's actually no one in the front desk doon sa Mio Hotel, so we just left our luggages there. And buti na lang talaga may mga Pinoy kaming nakita. So thankful though. Sikat na siya doon. Sweet, delicious iced Americano. This is my second sip. I'm having fun. Having so much fun. Pero nayabaan ko. Can I get one with one? Alam niyo. This is just 1,200 plus 700. In pesos, how much?
80 pesos. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at me.
Try your day.
now heading to Bukchon Hanok Village. And we're just walking from Angkok Station. I think it's just super nearby.
The mountain.
Because we can already see a lot of people like walking along the streets. And there are a lot of cafes right here actually.
And once you see that, please walk into this alley for 5 minutes. Then there's a big tree here, and around this big tree people usually take Instagram photos with the traditional houses.
Okay.
And also,
Oh, that's a village, right?
yeah, there's the village.
Oh.
Actually the whole blue area is the village.
Oh,
Okay.
it's a
Yeah,
big village.
and also there's some open traditional houses because you cannot get in any houses in this area. However, the houses that I'm marking now on the map, they are open for free, so you can get in there and see how the traditional Korean houses looks. And also you can take photos in there.
Okay.
However, the whole area is the residential area, so while you guys are here, please keep quiet for the locals, and also it is suggested for you to finish your visit at 5 p.m.
Pretty cool. Okay guys, so we found like an information guy. He helped us look for the exact village.
Laban kami.
We're getting some ice cream here in Bukchon Hanok Village, and it's super damn yummy. He's getting it chocolate. This vanilla is super superb.
And blueberry yogurt.
Tastes like bubble gum. So we have an entrance fee for the comfort room. We got grapefruit tea, coffee.
Hey, it's just for shit. They're all so much.
괜찮아, 그래봐. 그래?
Hola.
Hello, what's up you guys? We are now here in Myeongdong Palace, here in Gwanghwamun Square. And a lot of us here are wearing the hanbok. And we actually booked this hanbok through Agoda. It's just around 370 pesos per head, but we added more for the hair. By the way, look. Since the location is so big in Gyeongbokgung Palace, my friends or my company are now tired. Also me, my feet is tired. We can now finally check in after a long wait. Okay guys, we are now staying here in Mio Residence. This is the room. This is actually good for 4. They have actually big beds, but the space is so tiny. This is their restroom, just right in front of the bed. So yeah, it's time for us to pack up and go for another walk. They have a TV, by the way. We ended our day 1 in Seoul with more than 20,000 steps. I'm gonna be sharing with you in 6 separate videos our days 1 to 6 in South Korea and what was our expected itinerary and our expenses. There's so much to see in Seoul. It's just that you need to have that energy to get through the day. There's also so much to try in this country, and we have also experienced a lot in this country. 6 days is not enough to travel and explore South Korea. We just squeezed in our most favorite attractions to visit in the 6th day. But if given the chance, and really manifesting that chance, to visit South Korea again soon. So I'm just gonna end my first day vlog here. But before anything else, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell below if you've made it here to this video. And make sure to leave any comments if you have any questions, and I'll try my best to answer. So I hope to see you in my next video, which is our Everland theme park experience. With, of course, the worst roller coaster ride we've ever tried. See you! Bye!